Ducati India has launched two new special variants of the XDiavel 1260 power cruiser in the country. The 2021 Ducati XDiavel Dark Edition is priced at 18 lakh rupees, while the XDiavel Black Star is the new top spec variant and is priced at 22 lakh 60,000 rupees. All prices are ex-showroom India. The new Black Star edition gets the grey and matte black paint scheme with touches of red, while the seat is covered in high grip suede fabric. The bike also gets forged and anodized frame plates, blacked out finish on the engine, and billet aluminium rear view mirrors. It gets more powerful brakes and rides on machined forged rims that shed the curb weight by 2 kilograms. Meanwhile, the XDiavel Dark Edition gets a matte black paint job which extends to the mechanical components, plates, and finished all over the motorcycle. Both versions draw power from the 1262cc twin-cylinder Ducati Testa Stretta DVT engine that develops 158 brake horsepower and 127.4 Nm of peak torque. The power cruiser is loaded with electronic aids and gets a 2-year unlimited kilometer warranty. Bengaluru-based electric vehicle startup Simple Energy has announced pre-booking amount for its upcoming flagship electric scooter, Simple One. The electric offering will be launched on the 15th of August 2021 and pre-bookings will begin on the same day from 5 p.m. onwards for a token amount of 1,947 rupees. The Simple One can be booked from the company's official website and pre-bookings are open pan-India. The Simple One electric scooter will get a portable battery pack that can be carried indoors for recharging. The 4.8 kWh lithium-ion unit will be able to offer a range of 240 km in the eco mode. The scooter will also get a touchscreen console, onboard navigation, and Bluetooth connectivity. More details on the Simple One will be revealed on the 15th of August. Volkswagen India has confirmed that the company will begin series production of its highly anticipated Taigun compact SUV on the 18th of August 2021. That's when the company will also commence bookings for the new offering. The Volkswagen Taigun is built on the company's new MQB A0iN platform, shared with a Skoda Kushaq compact SUV. The model will be offered with a 1-litre TSI and 1.5-litre TSI petrol engines, paired with manual and automatic transmission choices. It will also be loaded on the feature front with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, wireless charger, electric sunroof, rear AC vents, 6 airbags and more. Volkswagen has also confirmed that the new Taigun will be launched around mid-September this year with deliveries to begin soon after.
We simply love hearing from you. So your comments and feedback are important. Subscribe to our channel, react to this video, and of course, watch our other videos too.